Hey everyone, Shane here. We just released 4.4, version 4.4 of Azon Auto Builder. We've included some great new features, and we've added these features free to all users right now. So in this video, I'm going to go over the new features and put up or show you just a couple of notes on updating the software, and then we'll go over the new features. So for the most part, updating to the latest version goes the same way. When you open the software, you're going to see that you will need to, you'll see that the plugins are missing. Then you'll need to download the plugins, and then you'll run the auto update. Now, when you click on run the auto update, it will probably, it's going to give you this pop-up box, and you're just going to click OK. But on yours, it will probably give you a pop-up box that says, would you like to delete the folder, or please delete the folder, or something to that effect. Now, you want to make sure and do that. Now, the software again is going to close and then open back up while it's updating. So you'll see that the software is doing all the things it needs to do to update. And then it's going to let you know that it's complete. And then the software is going to open back up, and the software opens. So just keep in mind that when you do the update, you will probably get that box that says delete the folder. The reason why mine didn't do it, because this is already version 4.4. So just keep that in mind. Now let's go through some of the new features that we've added. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on download the plugins. So it's going to download the templates and all the plugins. So we'll let that finish, and please be patient. It don't take that long. So it took about 10 seconds to do that. Now what we're going to do, let's go ahead and, we'll go ahead and talk about the new feature. One of the new features is the ability to save your sites. So you can put as many WordPress sites as you want to into the software. So what you would do is whenever you're ready to start a new site, you would install a fresh WordPress and then come to your software, put in the username, password, and your login page URL. All the same rules will apply. Okay, and whenever you put in all this information, you'll just click on save. Okay, and it's going to ask you what you want to save the name of the site to. And then later on, you can also click on load to load this site. So the ability to save a site is one of the features that we've added. So what I'll do is I'm going to go install a fresh WordPress, and just like we were building a new site. So I'll do that and be right back. Okay, so I just installed a new WordPress site, and so what I'm going to do is copy our login URL. Now, what we want to do is we want to check this URL to make sure it goes straight to the login page. So I'm just going to copy that, and I'm just going to paste it into the browser just to confirm that it goes to the login page and not some pop-up or anything like that. Okay, so it goes to our login page. So let's go into our software, and we're going to paste that URL here. And then we're going to put in our username and password. Okay, and now we're going to click on save. Now we're going to give it a name, and we're going to click on OK. And it will save our profile, save our site. Okay, so that's the new feature. That is one of the new features which will help you out a lot. Okay, the next feature, as far as step one site setup is concerned, down here you're going to see that you have a new option. Okay, the first option is for you can let the software create the default categories as it always has been, or you can choose to create custom categories. Okay, and if you want to choose custom categories, it will let you put in your categories one at a time. Okay, so if you don't want to use, if you don't want the software to create the store categories that it usually does, you can use the custom categories. So put in your categories one per line, and the software will automatically create these categories. Now, when you go to post products, you can load these categories that you've created and post directly to them. So I've just put in some random text into all of our, just for this example. Now I'm going to check the, select the template. Okay, and One note about the templates, we are looking at adding more templates to the software. Okay, but I'm going to choose my template, and then again, you can preview your template here, and now we're going to upload our logo. And just so, since we're showing the new features, I'm going to choose to make my own categories. So I'm going to select Create Custom Categories, and I'm just going to make some categories here. I'm just going to call them Category 1, Category 2. Okay, now when you run step 1 down here, when you click the button, it's going to automatically create those categories for us. So we have all of our information in. We've put in this profile. We've saved this site. Okay, and so we're ready to run step 1. So at this point, you want to make sure and go up into your Tools menu. Okay, and go ahead and put in your license information. It will save this for the new version. So after you run the new version the first time, you won't have to put this information in again. Okay. Make sure to select your affiliate program again. Okay, and once you do that, you can click X. Now it's time we can run step 1. And so it will just go through the checking of the license, and then it's going to give you the same pop-up, and you're going to click yes. Oh yeah, we need to make sure to remove the trailing slash. So we need to get this out of there. Make sure that is not there. Okay. Now on my screen, you'll notice that you can't hardly see the status bar. That's just because of the way my monitor is. It's actually a TV monitor. So on your monitor, if you have a regular PC monitor, you should be able to see the status. Okay. You'll see that the software is going to run through, and you'll see how much faster it is. I'm going to pause the video, but you'll see how much faster the software goes and does all of this information. So it only took just a few seconds for the software to go ahead and install all the plugins. So it's very, 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 very fast. So now it's going to go through and set up all your title, description, all of your meta information, and doing all of the setup steps. But it's also going to set the template and then add the categories that you told the software that you wanted to create. So it's going to do all that for you, just like before, but it does it a lot better, a lot faster. And so we're going to let that finish. So right now the software is going through and uploading our logo and setting the template settings. Okay, so the software is done with step 1, and I'm just going to click on no for right now, and then it's going to tell us to go on to step 2. Step 2 is the same. You just put in your Amazon affiliate information, and it sets that up for you. Okay, so step 2, same. And step 3 is the same. Okay, one thing we're working on right now is an add-on, premium add-on is going to be the account creation for step 3. The account creation will create all of your accounts and then automatically put them here so that the software can put all the information in for you. Now let's go to add products. Here is the other feature. Now you can load categories from your site. So if you click on load categories, it's going to load the categories that you created. So there you go. You got category 1 and category 2 that we've named. Now, these are going to be named whatever you like. Then we have our blog category. Okay. So now you can also add a new category here. So if you want to put in the name of the category, and you can click create new category. So again, you're just going to, as far as adding products by ASIN, you're going to choose the category that you made. Okay, put in your ASINs listed separated by a comma, and then click on Add Products. So we've the install additional plugins is much faster, and the optimization, backup, monetization are the same. So guys, this is a killer software. These features are unbelievable. You can manage unlimited amount of Amazon affiliate sites from Azon Auto Builder. I hope you enjoyed the software, and we'll see you soon.